Hello, my name is Jacqueline. I am a part of the technology coach team at San Juan College. We are here to help you navigate through your PC or laptop. This video is the first in a series about Microsoft Excel. Today, I will show you how to open and save a Microsoft Excel workbook. Let's begin. If you are unsure where the Excel program is located, simply use the search bar on the bottom left of your desktop. Click on the search bar and type Excel. Now click on the Excel icon. Notice there are many templates that Microsoft provides. I encourage you to explore them when you are learning to use Excel, as many of them can be very helpful. For now, we will choose Blank Workbook. Now that the document is open, I want to take a second to explain some basic areas of the Excel desktop. Notice the ribbon across the top. It is important to become familiar with the ribbon. There are many options in Excel, and this area is where you will access all of the commands that work in Excel. Look for future videos that will elaborate on all those commands. Moving on. Select the File tab in the top left corner of the workbook screen. Click on it and a new ribbon and screen should pop up. On the left side of the screen in the green ribbon, scroll down to Save As. Click on the option, and just to the right, a new screen popped up and we'll choose Browse. On the new window, under Quick Access, we're going to choose Documents. We're going to save this as an Excel tutorial. The last step, click on the blue Save button. Now your document is saved and ready for access at any time. Something to remember is to always save your workbook often and make a copy of all important documents saved in different places. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our other YouTube videos.